fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Kay. Today I received my Erin Condren summer surprise box. So, hit that like button, subscribe button, the notification bell, and the all, so you can get all the notifications for all of the shenanigans that go on around here. Ooh, I'm looking toe up today. Y'all, it's Wednesday. Your girl looking a little toe up from the flow up. But I mean, I've been up since 4:30. You know, I've already did the Amazon hustle. I've already done the piano hustle. Now I'm taking a moment to open this here fun box, and then yeah, I've got to go make a tutu, and I got to go make a shirt, and I got to go and do the baby kisses hustle. So I mean, I suppose this looking toe up was well earned. Anywho, let's get this box open, see what's in here. Last time in the spring we got some really fun things. I'm loving this box before I even say anything. How cute she is. Just all summer ready. We all know that's my favorite season of the year. My favorite time of the year. It's coming quick. It's sunny now. It's been gloom, June gloom around here, but now the sun is out, so that's a good thing. It's not hot yet, but you know, we get there. Although I've heard that up north, Northern California, they're roasting. So here's the inside. One thing I could say about Erin Condren is these boxes are amazing. They put some effort into these boxes. I'm telling you guys, packaging. We had this conversation when I was talking about the spring box. Packaging is everything. The box says, "There shall be eternal summer in the grateful heart." Listen, I definitely have some internal summer, like all year round. Okay, so this little card shows everything, I'm guessing, that's inside. But not to ruin the surprise too much, let's just open her up. Okay, so we have another to-do pad. I still have barely used the one from the spring, so this is awesome. I can just store this away somewhere and use it when I, fill up the spring one. Now, here's something that's cool on this one that I don't think I have the spring one right here. I don't think it's on there, but let's check. Nope, it isn't. See, here's a spring one. Don't be reading my stuff. That's the spring. There's no habit tracker on the spring, so this is kind of cool. Takes 20, 21, 29, something like that, days to create a new habit. So yeah, this is kind of cool because it helps you keep track of your habits. You've got your action chart that you do, and then you've got notes. And then I would consider this another note space on top, or do whatever you want with it. Oh, look how cute. Oh, dude. This is kind of awesome. So this, here, you guys are lucky. This was totally unintentional. But I have my planner right here. If I can get her out of her bag. So here's my planner. She's a little thick. She's a little thickums. This is my cover for my planner, right? And this is the back. These come off. Ta-da! Just that simple. And you put them back on, or Erin Condren can send you a summer cover, and you can put it on instead. So this is kind of cute. I might have to use her because that's really cute. I like that. What else we got in this little nifty nift? Good Lord. I haven't seen or had one of these since, I don't know, maybe high school. No, okay, maybe my early 20s. This is a multicolored pen. So basically how this works for all you youngins out there who've never seen these before. If you notice right here, there's all these different pen fillers, right? Up here on the sides, this goes down and it will make whatever the color is come down, and that's the one you write with. So you could change your ink color by clicking these little things to put one of those down. Cute. That's hilarious. I kind of like that you can see on the inside. You know, when we were growing up, you couldn't see the inside. Pocket journal. Every summer has a story. You guys are getting a lot of glare. I'm sorry. I'm loving these summer colors, though. I gotta tell you. Let's open her up and see what's inside her. Summertime, summertime, summertime. Summertime. Check her out. Okay, so it's just a normal, everyday, just like a notepad. So, I could use this for something. I'm not sure what yet. Ooh, I love the tiny lines. I was never a wide notebook paper with the wide lines. I never liked that. I liked the skinnier lines better. For aesthetical reasons. Aesthetical! That's a word for you. Aesthetical. Oh, look. It has a nice little ribbon. I love the ribbon bookmark. She's cute. We'll use her. We'll throw her in the Louis and carry her around with us. Should be a nice addition to the Louis. That's what we're carrying right now. You know, sometimes it's Louis. Other times it's Coach or Guest or No Name or whatever. I just kind of a purse freak. Okay, we got a little baggie here. She loves to send out some bags, I tell you. What is this? What is this bag for, though? Is it a lunch bag? Internal summer packing cube is what it's called. It's got a little handle and 2 zippers. Oh, there you go. I don't know what we would use it for, but I would tell you this. I love this color. This color is fire. It's a blue. Oh, look, someone just called the conservatory. And whether or not they left a message is a different story, but they did call. Okay, we have Every Summer Has a Story. I do believe this is a planner charm. I made my own last year when I got my first Erin Condren planner, and I just transferred them over onto here. So these are the ones I made for myself. Really easy project. Just went over to Michael's and bought a charm that had my letter. And these, I've lost one. It's in the car. It's not really lost. It just came off. And then it was this one too. And I also bought a little cross charm because I'm Catholic and I believe in the good Lord Jesus Christ. Yeah, so there you go. And all I did, although this one is missing it, but all I did was get the little claw clip. And I used to make jewelry, so I have all the tools. Put it together. There you go. So now I have an extra little rainbow one. Actually, you know what? This one could go on my where's she at? She must be in the bag in my purse. The little journal that, yep, here she is. She's in my purse. The journal that came in the spring surprise box. And put those together. Oh, look at that, makes sense too, because rainbow. rainbow. They're gonna go together. They're gonna go together. Create your own sunshine postcards. No, these are like legit postcards too. Check that out. When's the last time you wrote a postcard to somebody? Like the color though. More sticker. Ooh, I like these. Now see, these I'll use. The other ones I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do with them. But these I'm going to use. I'm gonna use these very, very soon. Like maybe this week. Or next week. The week summer starts. Maybe that. Or maybe now. I'm looking at them. They're so darn cute. And I haven't done this week's yet because I don't have stickers for this week's yet. Here's more stickers. Trying to get it so you can see it without the glare. And then, these are decor stickers. How cute. I need to find a weekly kit that will match this because this is, I don't have any half boxes, quarter boxes, nothing like that. And I like all of that for my planning. But I like that I have some washi tape and some flags and whatnot. Very cute. These are very cute and they shall be used very, very soon. Excuse me. Okay, last but not least, again with the colors. I'm liking the colors. It's a pencil bag. Pencil bag. Pencil case. It's made of silicone, people. So check that out. You can flip her inside out. You can get her wet. You can wash her. She can be washed and dried. No, I'm just kidding. I like this. It's kind of cool. What I like most about it is the colors. I like the ombre. I like the ombre of it all. It's very cute. Okay, I'm not mad at this surprise box. Not as excited about it as I was the spring. Spring was really exciting, but the spring was my first box, so I didn't know what to expect. I really do love the journal, even though I haven't used it yet. But I do love it. And I used the bag that came last with that. You can tell I use it because she's dirty as hell. Yeah. But that's how I carry my planner and all of my planner supplies with me every day. I do have, didn't I get pin? I think I got pins with that. I have the pins in here. Yes, pins did come. The pins are in there. I take those with me where I go as well. So yeah. All right. I'm not mad at the goodies in the box. I'm not mad at all. These are some good goodies. I like the goodies. I love, love, love the cover. I think this is really cool. This is definitely going to come in handy. It's going to get used. When I'm done using the other one, because I am actually using the to-do one. This one I will use. Oh, I know what I can use this for. I can use this to keep up with my expenditures for business. I like to write down, especially when I'm spending, like, sometimes like money will come in and it'll be set aside specifically for XYZ business expenses. And I like to write those things down so that I can keep on budget. So that's what this will be used for. So see, she has a purpose. And I am definitely, even though I absolutely love my cover now, my current cover, I'm going to change it for the summer with this because this is super duper cute. I like it. All right, Erin Condren, I ain't mad at you. You sent some good stuff. I'm not upset at all. Everything is cute. And it's all going to be used. For sure. For sure. Oh, look, you guys. I was saying I wasn't sure what I used the bag for. There you go. You put your crap in it. Alright. So there you have it. Erin Condren. Summer surprise box. She has done it again, or they have done it again. I'm not mad. Not mad at all. Very happy, and I'm loving this box. My poor closet, I don't know, after a while, it's going to be overrun with Erin Condren boxes. So there you go. That's what I got for you today. That's the fun stuff that hit my doorstep. Joanne actually is supposed to hit the doorstep. Is it today? I thought it was today, but then I came home and found this. So maybe it's tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. But I know I have Joanne package coming. I think it's like 3 fabrics from this last shopping spree over the weekend. But anyways, there you have it. That's my Erin Condren surprise box. Hope you enjoyed and saw some fun stuff that I believe will be available on the site. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. The notification bell and all. So you can get a notification when I drop all of the shenanigans that goes on around here. And until next time, people, peace.